us. There's an energy here like no other. The streets, the markets, the people, all move into a rhythm you can feel in every step. This city is alive, constantly pushing forward. Each face, each moment, each sound tells a story. It's a journey that's more than just the roads beneath us. It's a reminder of the roots that shape us. Wherever the road leads, we carry our roots with us. This is our story, our journey, our brand.